Piper went to Eugene today. He talked to a waitress at the Covered Bridge restaurant.
He joins us now live in the studio with what she had to say.
Patrice and Rondrell, the town of Eugene is small, but when the residents heard about the potential flooding, they knew exactly what to do. A town that saw the worst of the flooding, Eugene, Indiana, is home to a local hotspot. The Covered Bridge restaurant was hit hard by our week of rain.
But it was close. It's the closest that I've seen it, and I've been here 16 years as well. And to look at the bridge and where the water is, the distance, you think there's no way that much water could fit underneath that bridge, and it really did.
Bailey Wilson is a waitress at the restaurant. She says through the entire event, the restaurant had good luck.
Surprisingly, we did stay open during the entire thing. The only thing that it affected was on Thursday and Friday, they started moving some freezers out.
However, some help would have been nice. Governor Holcomb issued a disaster declaration, and although some neighboring counties were on the list, Vermilion County was not.
So that's really kind of shocking that we didn't get it, and it's kind of sad, you know, that we're a small community, and there's not much here, so every little bit helps.
However, the owners are not new to flooding. They went through the same thing back in 1994. This recent flood helped them remember it's never too late to be prepared.
I think having this type of a scare really kind of gave them an idea of if it would happen again, how quickly they can get things loaded up, how quickly we can get things out.
But it just goes to show, although things may seem bad, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Now, the good news is the river by the restaurant has significantly gone down when I was there earlier today. The restaurant is open for business and everything is cleaned up except for a few sandbags. Back to you.